Think townhomes mean boring and cramped? This CB JENI Homes just changed the game and might be exactly what you've been looking for. I'm Tiana Green, your Dallas realtor, and every week I have people just like you making the move to North Dallas. If that sounds like you, all my contact information is in the description down below. Feel free to reach out to me. Let's get started with the tour.
Well, that is it for today's tour. Please let me know what you think about this home in the comments below. If you loved it, hate it, want to move in tomorrow, want the keys, let me know. CB JENI definitely outdid themselves again, and they're currently having a promo for a low interest rate. Y'all already know how hard it is to find an interest rate in the 4s in today's market. That is, of course, unless I'm your realtor. You already know your girl got you covered with all the buyer incentives. Feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is down below. Can't wait to see y'all in the next video.